Good afternoon and welcome to Creating with Karen, and we are going to get started making the bracelet that you saw in the beginning of the video. I have separated all of the beads that I wanted to use off of the old bracelet. Okay, have them ready. So I'm just going to slide this out of the way. I have cut my fabric, and this fabric that I'm using was a remnant from Walmart. They have lots of great remnants in a little basket in the fabric aisle, and you can buy the pieces for from 25 cents to $3 depending on the yardage. And but this is the fabric. I like it because it has like a gold sheen, so I think it'll give a nice glam look. And of course, you know, I recycle, and I am using the inside of a roll of tape that I had, duct tape that I had. I poured my tacky glue into a dish so it'll make it easier, because the bottle of tacky glue that I have is getting down to its last, and I don't like throwing anything away, and I'm using a brush to apply it. This is an old paint brush of mine, as you can see, and I'm going to apply it with that. So we shall begin. With this, I'm going to use the same method that I used on this bracelet, where I'm going to wrap and tuck one edge like a hem under it so that it won't fray. This frays bad. This frays a lot. So, and for this bracelet, I don't want that frayed look. So get some of the tacky glue. I'm going to apply it on the inside. Nice generous amount. I don't have to apply it all around the inside, just the edge where I'm going to join it, where I'm going to start at. This is a recycled project. Alright. So I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to take my fabric and place it just at the edge. May seem like I'm doing things backwards, but I am left-handed. Okay, I'm going to wrap around, bring it in, and as I bring it out, that's when I'm going to start with doing the little hem on the edge. And of course, you have to go back and snip all the little loose edges, but I'm taking it all the way to the end. And how it's gathering, that's perfect. And I'm going to take it all around, tucking the edge. For this product, I am using the Aleene's Original Glue. And it's alright if we have those little gathers. That's what we want it to do. Just make sure we overlap that last edge. And this material is kind of a crinkle-like material. It sort of has like wrinkles in it naturally, which helps. That's why I selected this particular fabric. Alright, I'm going to have to, because this is the longest piece that they had the widest, so I'm going to add another piece. And how I'm going to do that, I'm going to add it on the inside here. Okay. Alright. I'm going to take the glue and apply on the inside. And it's a shame we just fell short, just but 2 inches, but this is the length and the width that the fabric came in, so can't do anything about that. Let's make sure I apply enough tacky glue. One here. Alright, so I bring this around. Some on the edge. So we have to learn how to deal with these types of things, how to fix it. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is take just what I need to go around. I'm going to cut. This will be covered. Cut enough to go around on the inside. So put this down. And I'll use a broader end. Just cut this more than I need. Okay. And I'm going to apply the glue on the inside where I'm going to lay this patch piece. Apply enough. And so it'll hold. Okay. So I'm going to lay this on the inside. Other way. And we will fix that issue. Blow my hand. Bring it over. I'm going to bring it just past enough so that I can start with the hem, the little tuck. Bring it in, around, and apply the glue. Enough to cover it. And there we are. We are ready to embellish it. Okay? That's our next step. Okay. I've completed applying the fabric over the cardboard ring. I have separated the beads from the necklace, and I've cut a piece of wire, the gold tone. This is the beadery craft wire. I've cut that using my beveled clippers, which would give this a beveled, a smooth edge so that it won't scratch. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this in place, and I'm going to wrap the wire. I actually have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 beads. So I know that I do need 12 hoops, 12 turns around the bracelet, okay? If I'm going to put all 12 beads on. This is 1, 2, slack is out the way. We don't need that happening again. So unless I stop to pick up that other bead, it will be 11. The bead I lost. I'm still holding my other end. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns on here. Alrighty. You all have to excuse my nails. I was working on another paint project and it's very hard on my nails and getting the staining up under. I'll just have to take time out one day and get a manicure. Okay, let's do a count here. See how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this will be 11. So we need 12 to go all the way around. Complete it. So it's 12. So I'll have to get another bead. And I'm going to cut it with my bevel. Long enough to twist inside. So I'm going to cut a long enough piece to do what I need to do. And these are great. They make a smooth edge. Highly recommend those. So what I'm going to do is just give it a twist inside. And then I will tuck it. There's our twist. And I'll get my pliers. Pull it this way. And the same thing with the other one. And I am going to tuck the edge. I'm going to cut a little bit more off. If you don't want this flying across the room, just place your finger on top of the nipper. And it'll keep it right there instead of it flying across the room. So I just want to tuck this. And pinch it. I don't know if you can see it. Pinch it close. And the other end too. And pinch it close. There we go. So the edges are smooth so we don't have to worry about that scratching when you wear it. And next, we will take our bead, our connector, and we will hook it on the, hold on, okay, bead and connector, switch up here, and we're going to hook it on to the wire. You all have to excuse me. Let me see if I can do it a little better like this. I'm having trouble. Grab it. Alright. And we just need to pinch it close. There we go. It's off to a shaky start, but we have it now. Butterfingers today. Make sure it's closed tight enough. And we just take up the next bead. Same thing. Flip it around. I'm doing every other. One is a pearl looking bead and the other one is just a solid gold tone, and I'm doing every other. I'm grabbing it and closing the connector. Oh, take it away. Oh, closing the connector. Let's try this again. It's really not that hard. I'm just butterfingers today. Alrighty, grab it. And we just squeeze it together. There we go. And I'm going to carry this all the way around and just take it all the way around. I don't want you to sit here and watch me fumble with the beads. So as soon as I get all around, I'll be right back at you.